emergency stop. We start, stop, reverse, you get the idea. Now, one thing I do like to do is add a little piece of heat shrink over the end where the cable comes in, while it keeps the shielding nice and tidy. And secondly, it allows a little bit more bulk where the gland is to help it retain it. The colours are arbitrary. I do tend to use black for the ground, but anything else is immaterial at this stage. It's only when we come to wire the other end it will make a difference. And for this job I've purchased some of these little fast-on type connectors, as they will clip straight on the back. They'll also clip onto a potentiometer, and for the emergency stop we will be using standard ferrules. So let's go. Remembering to put the heat shrink on first. These are such fine wires, as the whole thing's run on 10 volts and in the milliamp range, there's not a lot of point in doing any more. On the pull to make sure it's okay. We'll slide that right on up there. That is nice and neat. We're using that one for the jog. There. Right, now to prepare the other end. Same thing. Terminate this end of the cable with our ferrules ready to wire into the inverter. Now you don't need to use ferrules, but it makes the whole thing a lot more professional looking and neater. They're inexpensive and well worth using if you can. I like to put a couple of tie wraps on just to give it a bit of strain relief, as it is a remote and you are going to be pulling on it. So we press program, we move it to P10, press function, we see it's on 1 at the moment, which is the panel potentiometer. We press that to 2, function again, saves it, and then we go function on 11. We see it's set at 0, which is the panel keyboard. We want 2. Let's just go back and check that to work. Yes, it did. Next we need to change to program 50, which is all the way up there. Now that is set at 13 at the moment, which is the speed input. We want to change that to 11, which will give us a momentary press for going forward, and then 51 we have set to stop, so that needs to be on 4, which is a coasting stop. 52, which is X3, we want to run in reverse, so we need to set that to 12. X4 is our jog forward, so we need that to be 17. .54 is jog reverse, which needs to be 18. And 55 is our EStop, which needs to be 19. And there we have it. Now if we release the EStop, we should get forward run coming on, And if we wind up, you can hear the lathe starting. If you press stop, it stops. Press reverse, reverses. Stop. Now we should be able to jog forward. And we should be able to jog backwards. And if we change our speed to 50 Hertz and press go. Press the EStop, it goes off. If we reset the EStop, we're nowhere. Start, stop, reverse.